In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove comments you no longer need, keep your boards tidy, and avoid accidental deletions. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll add helpful tips along the way so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, open your Miro board from your dashboard. Look for the board where the unwanted comment lives, then click to enter it. If you're working with many boards, taking a moment to confirm you're in the right one can save time later. Next, find the object the comment is attached to. Comments in Miro are usually tied to items like sticky notes, shapes, or frames. Click the object you believe has the comment. If the board is busy or zoomed out, it can help to pan around and zoom in a bit so the comment indicators are easier to spot. Now, view the comment thread. When you click or hover near the object, you should see a small comment bubble appear nearby, often a speech bubble icon, sometimes with a number if there are multiple comments. Click that bubble to open the thread. This will show you all the messages attached to that specific item so you can confirm you're looking at the right conversation. When you've identified the exact message you want to remove, hover your cursor over that comment. You'll see 3 dots appear to the side. Click those 3 dots to open a small menu, then choose delete. Be sure you're selecting the correct comment in the thread, especially if there are several replies. Also note that delete is different from resolve. Resolving a comment closes it, but deleting removes it entirely. Miro will ask you to confirm. This is your last checkpoint. If you're absolutely sure, click delete in the confirmation prompt. Take a second to double check the content if needed, because this action removes the comment from the thread and the board. And that's it. Your comment is now permanently deleted. If the option to delete isn't available, you may not have the necessary permissions, or you might be trying to remove a comment you didn't create on a board where you don't have the right access. In that case, reach out to the board owner or adjust your role if appropriate. To tidy up more comments, simply repeat the same process. Open the board, select the object, open the comment bubble, choose the comment, and delete with confirmation. Keeping your board clear of outdated notes makes collaboration smoother and your workspace easier to navigate.